As mounting scientific evidence and meteorological data confirm the undeniable impacts of climate change, global warming has taken center stage, especially when it comes to its influence on extreme weather events like hurricanes. The Caribbean, a vibrant and vital region, braces itself each year for the hurricane season, a period that's becoming increasingly intense due to the advancing effects of climate change. In this video, we'll explore how global warming is reshaping hurricane activities in the Caribbean and how it's transforming the behavior of the Bermuda High, a crucial atmospheric force that dictates the paths of these formidable storms. Let's dive into the pressing issue of climate change and its implications for the Caribbean hurricane season. The Caribbean, known for its stunning beauty, is now facing intensified threats from global warming. Several critical factors are at play here, making this region more vulnerable than ever before. 1. Heightened sea surface temperatures. As global warming intensifies, the Caribbean waters are heating up like never before. These elevated temperatures supercharge the energy that fuels hurricanes, making them not only more powerful but also extending their season, transforming a once temporary threat into a relentless force to be reckoned with. Surge in intensity. Unveiling the dramatic tale of climate change studies reveal a trend towards increasingly powerful hurricanes. Even if the number of storms remains the same, the likelihood of them reaching Category 3 or higher surges, painting a grim picture of more severe devastation in the Caribbean. Altered rainfall dynamics. As global temperatures climb, the atmosphere becomes a sponge, soaking up more moisture, arming hurricanes with the power to unleash torrential downpours, dramatically increasing the risk of devastating floods and landslides, with particularly severe impacts on the Caribbean's varied landscapes. Rising sea levels. The relentless march of climate change is pushing sea levels higher and higher, amplifying the destructive power of hurricane-driven storm surges. This spells disaster for low-lying and coastal regions, with increased flooding, resulting in massive financial losses and severe ecological damage. Modified hurricane trajectories. The recent unusual weather patterns in Miami might be attributable to various elements, including the broad impacts of climate change on atmospheric circulation, which ultimately can alter hurricane paths. These modifications result from shifts in sea temperatures, the alignment and intensity of winds, high-pressure systems like the Bermuda High, and other climatic factors affecting tropical cyclones' pathways and development. As typical hurricane trajectories shift, places like Miami, already prone to such events, could see variations in storm frequency, severity, or timing. Hurricanes taking a novel approach to Miami may convey different impacts depending on their angle of approach. Moreover, these altered tracks can influence local weather even outside hurricane seasons, with implications for precipitation patterns, temperatures, and weather cycle lengths. Nonetheless, it's vital to recognize that the weather is subject to an array of influences. As communities along the U.S. Gulf Coast brace themselves, Hurricane Helene has been recorded strengthening into a Category 1 hurricane. Meteorologists now forecast a troubling intensification, predicting that Helene will reach Category 4 status before making its predicted landfall in Florida's serene Big Bend area on Thursday. This rapid development has put residents and disaster agencies on high alert, underscoring the capricious nature of hurricane season. Apart from climate change, unusual weather events or seasonal anomalies can also stem from other climatic occurrences like El Niño, La Niña, the Arctic Oscillation, or the Madden-Julian Oscillation, among others. These factors can cloud the climate narrative, complicating the task of pinpointing whether a specific weather anomaly is caused by change in hurricane paths or wider climate change implications. To conclusively determine the reasons behind Miami's recent weather irregularities requires detailed research, looking into diverse atmospheric and oceanic variables. Such studies aid in discerning typical weather variances from trends directly linked to global warming. Let's dive into the fascinating world of the Bermuda High. This powerful weather system plays a crucial role in shaping the Atlantic hurricane corridor. But with climate change in the mix, the dynamics are shifting, leading to a cascade of intriguing consequences. Shifts in atmospheric pressure patterns. Imagine a world where global warming reshapes temperature gradients. dramatically altering pressure distributions. The Bermuda High, for instance, could become more intense, steering hurricanes straight toward the Caribbean or sending them on unpredictable paths. The Bermuda High is on the move. Climate change could trigger a shift or expansion of the Bermuda High, dramatically altering hurricane paths. This shift might lead to more direct hits on the islands or extend the duration of storms, making emergency preparedness and recovery efforts even more challenging. As the planet warms, trade winds could shift or weaken, interacting with the Bermuda High, which plays a crucial role in hurricane formation and movement. This dynamic interaction might lead to more unpredictable storm patterns, posing new challenges for early warning systems and their effectiveness. Rise in atmospheric blocking events. Global warming could also lead to more frequent and intense blocking patterns, where the Bermuda High stubbornly stays put for extended periods. These scenarios can create relentless conditions perfect for hurricane formation, causing prolonged and devastating impacts on regions caught in their path. Understanding the intricate dance between global warming and hurricane activity in the Caribbean and the evolving Bermuda High is essential for the region's future. As sea surface temperatures rise and atmospheric dynamics shift, hurricanes are expected to become more powerful and possibly more frequent. This alarming scenario highlights the urgent need for proactive measures to combat climate change and strong adaptation strategies to safeguard Caribbean communities. Taking these proactive steps is crucial to protect human lives and preserve the delicate balance of local ecosystems, as well as to ensure the stability of regional economies in the face of a changing climate.